This video we're going to learn how to use the Orion OTP plugin with Profile Builder plugin. So I already have the Profile Builder plugin installed over here. I'm just going to activate this, and it's login, registration, edit profile plugin. Okay, let's activate this. You can see it's been activated, and this is basically their admin menu, and they have their general settings over here. Okay, so guys, in this admin menu, if you come over here and click on form fields, you will see on the right hand side it says registration, edit profile forms. So for register we have this shortcode, for edit profile and for register role and all of that. So let's just copy this, and I'm going to create a new page, and I'm going to name it as Profile Builder Register, and I'm just going to paste the shortcode over here and just publish it. Okay, and all I have to do is just go into this link into an incognito mode, because otherwise I won't be able to access the register page since I'm logged in. And if I click over here, sure enough, you've got a registration page right here. Okay, great. So all we want is basically we want a mobile registration, mobile number OTP verification over here. So we're going to follow the same thing that we learned in the previous videos. Go to Orion OTP settings. Remember, this is the Pro version that I'm using. You have an option to choose between Pro and Lite as well, which is free as well. We need the auth key first, so I've already explained in the previous videos that all you have to do is basically go to the auth key, guys. All you have to do is just come over here, log on to the message 91, click on API, copy the auth key, and just come over here, paste it here, put the sender's ID, which needs to be 6 characters, put the country code. All option will be available in the premium version, which allows you to which allows the user to enter the country code from the front end, and have an option to send messages to multiple countries, OTP to multiple countries. In free version you have an option for selecting only one country at a time, so I'll just select India for now. And then you select you put the mobile number length over here that you want to validate. Okay, and then you select the OTP route. If you're using premium version, you get the transaction route, which is actually cheaper. And then if you are using the free version, then you select the OTP route. Okay, then you come over here, and then it asks you for contact form selector. So let's put all the information there. I'm going to delete the previous ones. Okay, come over here, and just close this one. Okay, so this is my form basically, and what do I need? I need the contact form selector. It says please enter unique body class name followed by the class name or ID name of the parent div of the form element. So basically what this is saying is that get me the unique body class name to ensure that this functionality is available only on this page and not all. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and search for body tag. This is my body tag, and my unique ID is page ID 157, because the ID is always unique. So this is my class, which is unique. So I'm going to put dot over here. It has to be prefixed with dot of its class name, and then I put a space, and the next thing I need is basically the parent element of the form. So this is my form right here, and the parent of this is entry content. So to make sure it's a parent element, just click on it and make sure this is being wrapped. It needs to be the most immediate parent, as long as it's the parent. It's wrapping that form. Okay, so this is entry content. I'm just going to copy this, put a space, put dot, and paste it here. Make sure there's no space between the dot and the name of the class. Okay, otherwise it won't work. The next thing we need, guys, is the submit button selector. So I have my submit button here, which is register. I'll just do an inspect element, and I need the class, so it says submit and button. So I think I'm going to use the ID, because ID is unique. Submit and button are very common classes. So since I'm going to use ID, I'm going to put hash and paste it. And don't worry, all of this information will be available in the description box. You can choose from that. and then it says create mobile input field, yes or no. So do I have a mobile input field? Let's see. No, I don't. So I want to create a mobile input field, so I'll select yes. Okay, and then it says the OTP template, so I want to use the template. So make sure that this part, which is OTP in curly braces, is present in your template. The rest of all of the text can be custom as what you want to. So I'll just put your OTP is, and then I'm going to use the curly braces. Make sure that the OTP in capital letters is written within the curly braces. The rest of the text could be anything. Okay, great. So I can just save it. So just scroll down. You have save changes. Click on it, and the changes get saved. Okay. And now I'll go over here and refresh the page and see what happens. Brilliant. That's amazing. We've got a mobile number input field over here. You have an option to send OTP. We've got the country code, which is already being displayed because we selected India in the country code option, and we also have a mobile number validation as well. Great. Now guys, every user is different. Everybody would want this mobile number input field to be at different places. Somebody would want after username, or after email, or after website. So it's very difficult for us to decide where to put this, hence we put it after the form ends. In case if you want your website to be customized, you can always choose for our customized pro version, and go on to our site imransayyed.com/Orion, choose the pro with customization, click on get now, and you can also tell us your requirements. We will go ahead and do a call with you to understand your custom requirements, and then make a custom plugin for you for a bare minimum price. Okay, great. So coming back to what we're discussing, so we've got the mobile input field now. Now if I try to submit register, you can see that it's not allowing me to submit the form because the mobile number is not verified. If I try to click on send OTP, it's saying enter the mobile number because the mobile field is empty. If I just put any number, again it's saying enter the correct mobile number because I have not entered 10 digits that we had put in the backend. Okay, so validation is going on. Great, so let's try this. I'm going to put my mobile number here, so 9960119060. Click on send OTP, and sure enough you can see that OTP has been sent to my mobile. I'm just going to check my mobile and get the OTP, so just hang in there. So I've got my OTP, guys. I'll just paste it over here and click on verify OTP, and sure enough you can say that it says thank you for verification has been done. These two input fields are now grayed out. User cannot change the mobile number once it's been verified, and now they can go ahead and fill all the information. If I now click on register, you can see that the form of this plugin profile builder is started to function the way it should. So all of these things are happening now. So user will be able to submit the form now since mobile number is verified. Great. If this plugin did have the mobile input field, then you will have option to not create a new one but use the same one. So you can just go over here and select no. Okay, and put the mobile input name over here. Okay guys, I'm not sure if this form provides the login option as well, but even if it does, no problem at all. You can just go to forgot password settings, and you have an option to provide to the user to change the password using the using this plugin as well, using the OTP. Okay, so you can come over here. These are pretty self-explanatory. You'll be putting them all this information the way we've discussed earlier, but this part is meta key for the mobile number is the meta key available in the backend in the database. You just need to go to user meta, look for that user ID, and get the meta key name from here. For example, this is mobile number for that plugin. Okay, and also you need to go ahead and make sure that check whether the mobile number is being saved with the country code or without the country code. So for example, over here it's being saved without the country code, so you can go ahead and that information there. Okay, so yeah, you can select yes or no. Alright, and then you can put the message template as well. Okay, so this is in case if you want to use this functionality of forgot password setting. Okay, great. So guys, if you did like this, please make sure you rate us. This just always motivates us because there's a lot of hard work that goes behind making this plugin. So you just click on the rate us now, and it guides you how to rate the plugin for us. Okay, and then you always have an option to donate us also using either Paytm or PayPal. Okay, so you can go on to imransayed.com, Orion, and this particular site. You can buy our premium plugin from here as well. So you can see that this page you have options to buy our Pro version and also Pro with customization if you want to do some customization for your plugin. Okay, so all of that information is there. You have tutorials, so if you click on it later on, you'll have tutorials available over here. You'll have FAQs, so all of the FAQs are present. So it tells you all of the frequently asked questions. If it's not working, you've got lists of troubleshooting steps that you can follow, and then you always have an option to contact us if there's anything that you need. You can just email it to us on this email. Okay, great guys, I hope you did like the video. If you did, do subscribe to my channel and do give us a rating. Your positive reviews are always going to motivate us to even do better. Okay guys, alright then, take care, bye bye, see you in the next video.